If you've ever tried making pancakes, eggs, and bacon for more than two people on a standard pan, you already know the struggle. You're cooking in shifts, food's getting cold, and your kitchen feels like a short-order diner in chaos. If that sounds familiar, this might be exactly what your countertop's been missing. Today, we're looking at the Chefman XL Electric Griddle, and on paper, it promises to solve that exact problem. More cooking space, better temperature control, and easier cleanup. But does it actually make busy breakfasts and family dinners easier, or is it just another bulky appliance that ends up in the cabinet? Let's break it down. Right away, the standout feature is the size. The 10 by 20-inch cooking surface is genuinely large. You can fit about 8 pancakes at once, or a full breakfast spread without juggling pans. For families, meal preppers, or anyone who hosts brunch, that extra space isn't just nice to have, it changes how you cook. Instead of rotating food in batches, everything cooks together, which means everyone eats together. The build itself feels solid for the price range. It's not ultra-premium stainless steel or anything like that, but it doesn't feel flimsy either. The cooking surface has a nonstick coating that's smooth and consistent, and during testing it released eggs and pancakes cleanly without a fight. You'll still want a little oil for best results, but you won't need much. That's especially helpful if you're trying to cut back on excess grease. Temperature control is where this griddle earns its keep. The removable dial lets you adjust from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can gently warm tortillas on the low end or sear burgers on the high end. It heats with 1,500 watts of power, and in real-world use it comes up to temperature pretty quickly. It's not instant, but it's fast enough that you're not standing around wondering if it's on. More importantly, it maintains heat fairly evenly across the surface. There are slightly hotter zones near the center like most electric griddles, but nothing dramatic. Noise level is basically a non-issue. There's no fan, no loud clicking, just a subtle heating sound when it cycles on. Compared to stovetop cooking with splattering oil, it can actually feel calmer and more control point. One of my favorite practical touches is the slide-out drip tray. When you're cooking bacon or burgers, excess grease drains away from the surface instead of pooling around your food. It's a small detail, but it makes meals a little healthier and cleanup much easier. Speaking of cleanup, this is where the Chefman really separates itself from cheaper models. Once the temperature control is removed, the entire griddle is fully immersible and even dishwasher safe. That's huge. Most electric griddles make you awkwardly wipe around heating elements and hope you don't ruin anything. Here, you can actually wash it properly. Now, let's talk downsides. First, it's big. That's the point. But it also means it takes up real storage space. If you have a small kitchen with limited cabinets, you'll need a plan for it. Second, while the nonstick coating works well, like any coated surface, it will wear over time if you use metal utensils or scrub aggressively. You'll want to stick to silicone or wood tools to keep it in good shape. And finally, this isn't a precision searing machine. If you're looking for steakhouse-level crust like you'd get from a cast iron pan, this won't fully replace that. Compared to similar XL electric griddles in this price range, this one competes closely with models from brands like Presto and Black Plus Decker. What gives the Chefman an edge is the fully immersible design and simple temperature dial. Some competitors heat slightly more evenly, but they're often harder to clean. At this price point, that trade-off matters. Who is this for? It's ideal for families, meal preppers, or anyone who regularly cooks multiple servings at once. If you host brunch, make big weekend breakfasts, or want an easy indoor burger station, this makes your life simpler. If you live alone, rarely cook large batches, or already have a large stovetop griddle, you probably don't need it. If you're tired of cooking in batches and want breakfast done all at once, this is absolutely worth a look. Check the link in the description for current pricing, and if this review helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.